Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the mop not spinning on your Xiaomi robot vacuum H50 Pro. So first, what we want to do is we want to make sure that we reset the velcro pads. So we're gonna reseat them and reset. So let's grab our cleaning robot out of the station. And now what are we gonna do is we're gonna put it upside down, and here we have the cleaning mops. So we can just take them off by pushing them upwards. As you guys can see, let me put it like this. And now we got the mop pads that we can just pull up. And as you guys can see, they just fall right off. So we can do that for the second one too. And it might be a bit harder, but still it is definitely going up. And as you guys can see, we got it. So now we want to reseat the pads right here. So we want to take them off completely. Here we have the one. I'll place it. I'll place this part, and now we can place this part back in.
Mop pads installed.
So as you guys can see, the mop pads are actually not installed. The robot just thinks that because we put those parts in already. But now we want to make sure that we adjust it correctly. So as you guys can see, it has to be around the O. Now this is the perfect setup. We're gonna do it again. And as you guys can see, the finished product looks like this. They are sitting here perfectly. And now whenever you start a mopping mode or just start mop cleaning, they will definitely spin. So that's how you guys can do that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.